Fucking dirt. Cause nobody's allowed.
I'm gonna have to run over that spring. You got the bag?
Yeah.
He had to. I saw all the snaps.
What are you doing? You had lunch yesterday. Bro, you had lunch yesterday. What are you doing?
I'm fucking hungry, dude.
What the fuck are you doing?
Yeah, that's where we wanna go. Ronnie, you ready?
I guess.
You ready?
Yeah. Watch the water drop on me.
No, Sean. No, Sean was picking it up by himself earlier.
Yeah. These are small.
Oh, you wearing fish mittens?
Yes, I am.
So you're gonna carry that side?
Did you get those out of my tool bag?
No.
I guess you.
Put it down, bring it down, bring it down. Alright.
Did anybody chat?
Oh shit.
You wanna get this thing centered?
Yeah, let's get it centered.
Making shit happen.
It's fueled up already.
Something's missing.
Seems like I've been through all this before.
How do you feel?
I'm waiting.
What?
How do you feel?
No, I'm waiting for you. Try to win.
I've been here all day and stumbling this. I've been here since day one. I'm fucking tired.
Yeah?
The motors.
I want to get
Yeah?
this shit in there. I want to get this shit in
Yeah?
there. I want to get this thing running.
Let's go.
9-second car right here.
You're not gonna have enough space to get those axles.
9 fucking seconds.
You know what I mean?
Yeah,
well, we're putting those in. Those stock axles.
the dirtiest shit.
What are you gonna do?
That's true.
Clean that grease off, though.
Isaac, we need your assistance.
It's still fucking.
Oh yeah, twerk it. Again.
Listen, I'll join you.
Let's see your stress. Bro. Alright, your turn.
What's it for what?
Twerking.
I got no ass. I'm sorry.
He looked back. Wait, no.
I didn't even notice.
What did you do?
Little Red, how do you feel?
We gotta put a couple
What?
of plants
How do you
on.
feel?
Feeling alright? Get this thing done. Get this bitch running again.
You have to take a fucking shower.
Are you sweating yet? Yeah. I knew
I'll
it.
never fucking stop. Bro. Official sweating disorder.
We have like everybody for this motor build right now.
yeah, man.
Fucking everybody.
Yeah, this shit.
It's looking good.
We need to do some timing.
Oh my god. Poor Mike.
You alright?
You wish. Why you always fuck with white
How's it going under there, buddy?
From the waist down.
Why the fuck does everyone say that? Stop lying. For a
Because you're not
midget.
black from the way
Oh
down.
my god.
Midget. Are you Puerto
Stealing my punchlines, man.
Are you
2%.
Puerto Rican?
2%.
2% black down there.
Oh,
Wait, Isaac, look at me.
Listen, bro. I'm a solid. I promise you, I'm a solid 280.
Am I covered in oil?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm a motor, okay?
Oh my god.
When did we get a road?
What kind of motor is that?
Fucking Prius.
No, it's too jagged.
That's what I said.
Oh. Alright, I'm in.
Jagging? No. Hold on. Keep jagging. Okay.
Wait, I'm popping out.
Wait. My hand, my hand. We need that. See, now I'm saying it.
There you go. Alright.
This motor don't look like it's fucking in correctly.
Axles are in.
Where are your braces?
Hold on.
Well, I don't know what the fuck this. Where's this supposed to be at? That's supposed to be underneath
Right
it.
in.
To the side.
Oh.
What's
God, yeah, they're supposed to be up front.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying.
I told.
Holy shit.
Yo, Dylan almost lost his arm.
Bro, I'm not like the fucking Hulk, okay? I can't hold this up by myself.
Yeah, no shit. That's why the jack.
Yeah, that's why I'm holding you in the fucking.
Well, that jack was going down, Ronnie.
That guy was going down like
Hey, Milk,
Titanic over
wait
there.
a minute, a little bit, dude.
That bitch was sinking.
Jack it
Yo,
up,
let's do
Ash.
that.
Jack it.
Okay.
Put the
Jesus
poor
Christ.
Bring it forward. Bring it forward. No, we gotta bring it back.
One
bring it
job.
back.
Back or forward?
Push it back. I meant back.
Push it towards the car.
Push it towards daddy.
Into the,
Like no, stop jacking it. Just kick the jack. Yeah,
Thank you.
There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
All right, jack it up, Mal.
Meow.
Mal.
Meow.
Yeah,
Meow. Yo, what is this fucking Super Troopers?
Alright,
Yeah, we're
alright,
playing the
push
jack
forward.
game over here?
Push it forward now.
Right now?
All right,
Meow.
keep going. Keep going.
Pay attention.
Jack it away. Jack it up. It's getting stuck on the axle here. Jack it up.
You know what, bro? I
Little
might
bit.
have better
Alright.
fucking leverage.
Push a little. Push back. All right, jack it. Push more. Oh, that. Oh, is that
Isaac, you
max?
see what I'm doing, right?
Oh,
Isaac,
yeah.
you see what I'm doing, right?
What?
You don't see what I'm doing? I think we're maxed out by now.
Open your eyeballs.
You're sucking dick over here.
All right. Yeah. This
What? This fucking.
The ratchet straps I have are nice.
Anyway, we can get some like
He has a
Bro,
but like a fucking
the motor's about to fall.
got a few of those.
It might snap because of the fucking seam.
We're still trying to figure this shit
That's
out.
my beer.
Try that. Or maybe a log.
It's going up straight. All right, we just
I'm gonna help you got it now.
You know where this is going, right?
I'm stuck.
Well, this has to go.
Goddamn dog. No.
How the fuck did you get stuck in
What
there?
the fuck? Are you serious?
Thank you. I haven't done this.
Only I can get fucking stuck.
There you go.
Just unbuckle it. Get it later.
Hang on, just leave it right there for right now.
Kinda don't help.
It's stuck in there, dude. Don't break it. Don't break
worry,
it.
Devin will
Thank
take
God.
your car.
Fucking put that behind my neck.
All right, we gotta move it this way and that way.
Just try to keep it this way.
What the fuck?
It's got to come this way and go.
But we still need
swing it.
Yeah, but we still need to direct that axle.
Yeah, well, you're hitting here too.
Well, we gotta bring it
So
back.
yeah.
Yeah, we'll just
I wouldn't
pull- we'll just pull
start. I
it
wouldn't
back
start
in.
pushing
Don't
on
touch
the
his
like
blood.
that.
I don't want AIDS.
No, I don't want to.
I have heard we got a
All
blades.
right.
Whoa. Whoa.
Fuck is going
All
on?
right, wait. Someone needs to get under and direct the axle.
Oh lord.
It has to come over.
Yeah, it's got to come. It's got to come out more.
No, it has to come to the.
Yeah, it's got to come in more.
right.
This?
Bring it to the right more. No, not you. The motor needs to come to the right.
Push it in a little bit to the right.
To Sean.
Not you, the motor. not you, the motor.
Good or bad?
Here, ready? Hold on. Some wood's in the way.
Sorry.
Hold on, Ryan.
I'll move my wood.
Oh, fuck you. Alright, jack it up.
Keep going.
Yeah, use that handwork.
Yeah.
Sure. Towards the car.
His bolts are fucking getting stuck here.
Good.
A little more.
To the right.
There you go.
Oh, wait.
I'm in.
That whole
Alright,
motor.
yeah. Just gotta jack
I'm
it up
in.
and I'm in.
Ow.
The bolts are not even touching anything.
Rigucci here.
Alright, we're slowly getting in over here.
It looks like it's lined up.
Bring it towards the car a little more. Bring it towards the inside a little more. Yep.
Alright.
Yo, Isaac, what?
You'll feel it. My force underneath. That's what here. Fuck.
Doing this.
When you got PBRs lying around in a circle, that's when you know you got fucking shit done.
Yo, we gotta come way towards me, bro.
Oh my fucking
Way towards
God.
me. Here, we can pull it.
Wait, I could.
Wait, no, you
Wait,
can't
wait,
pull
wait.
it. Someone has to lift that side first because it's gonna start
yeah,
shifting.
We're good. Keep doing it.
Keep going, right?
A little bit more.
Keep coming towards me. Can you
gotta-
get around
you
it? Can
gotta
you get
go
around the cat?
Right.
Oh, wait,
Right,
wait.
lift it from the bottom.
Hang
go
on, it's
down?
stuck on the cat.
Wait,
It's stuck on the cat.
stop, wait.
What?
Okay.
Sean,
Okay.
Call out.
The whole jack's fucking moving now.
I'm on.
Oh,
Whoa.
shit.
Now we're
Almost going
cooking.
down.
Now we're cooking with
Stop.
meth.
Wait. Bearing thing stuck.
Fuck.
Bearing.
That's why I fucking hate Honda.
Brings in, alright, get the hell out then.
Well, no, I gotta hold it so it doesn't slip out.
Jack it up.
Yeah, jack it up.
It's gotta come towards me.
Yeah, just jack it up a little bit and
No,
shift
it's
it.
leaning left. Ain't it?
Isaac,
I know, because you're
get to
probably
the point
hooked on
where if
something
it
over there.
falls, it's not gonna fall on you.
Is there
though.
No, I
anything
know,
hooked on that
I'm under
side?
the chassis.
Ronnie?
No. Wait.
No, wait.
Is this?
The one
I
port.
don't know if this is.
Whoa.
What? No, it's supposed to be on the side of it. This is gonna push it out a little bit. As long as no holes are
Isaac.
fucking clubbed or
Well, it's
anything.
fucking clipping right
That's
here.
because it's the fucking engine mount. That's one of the braces. That's
Don't worry, I'll
fine.
tell
It's
your
not-
girlfriend you
it's not
love her.
touching anything.
Well, once we lift it more.
Yeah, the motor has to go back fully. It has to come. It has to come forward.
because it's gonna be. I'm gonna
Well,
be
can you
resting
fit
on the
that
one
brick
right
in
here.
on your side? Nope. Okay. All right.
We gotta be.
Wait,
able to
wait.
make-
Where's the other jack?
As we lower this, my end should go up. You know,
It
his
should
end should go
it
up.
should.
You know what I'm saying?
His
His
end-
end-
his end's not
It should
gonna come up and have a
even.
brick on the No, not yet. It's gonna still sit like that. Try to jack it up. Try to jack it up from the actual mount.
Damn, bro.
That way you can.
Yep, that hand works.
That's how I was before. I don't play around. Come on. I don't play around.
Yeah, sit right in the cup.
I told you
There
I'm
go.
12 seconds.
Should I raise this up?
Yes.
Is it maxed out?
Yeah, it's max out.
Is it really?
It goes up a little bit more.
You can still get the go like an inch or two.
That's it.
That's it?
That's it right there. That's it.
We can't squeeze a brick in there.
What about one of those paper?
Alright, you wanna switch to this one?
Shovel. No, it's gonna bend the metal real quick. It's thin. Oh fuck. It's thin.
You good?
Here, hold this so it doesn't decide to kick out. No, actually, put your foot on the bottom.
Yep. You got it.
What about the brake pads? They're not gonna crack or
You know what you
smash.
should do? You have a small rig.
I got work tomorrow. Fuck.
Aluminum blew up and the side. No, the fucking whole this whole side has to be kicked in.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah, the axles gotta get kicked in, and
But we're good.
as you lift it, I'll put it
Yeah,
in.
but we can take the axle out and then put it back in. That's
let's
not a
get the
big
rest of the shit
fucking
in
deal.
well, no, we have play. We have play to it. We can prop it
You have a
in.
little bit of play, yeah.
All we gotta do is jack it and push it into place.
That's what she said.
Alright, but what I'm saying is, even if we don't have play, we can still pull that axle out. It's gonna be a bitch, but we can still do it.
It still has to come out.
If we have to.
I just looked at it. Use the red jack, put something underneath.
Ourselves the glory
here.
hole.
Yeah, boy!
Fucking A.
I'm gonna undo all these jacks now.
Wait,
We're
don't
good,
move
right?
anything. Don't move anything.
No, we still gotta get this in. Hold on.
With the
We're
controller.
almost there. No, we gotta
controller,
get.
man.
There's another engine bracket right here. Hold on.
Yes, I gotta get the back. Hold on.
Alright, that means I'm not gonna move, right?
Yeah. You're good though. You're good. You can back. You can get out.
Alright, who wants beer?
We don't have any more, dude. There's like 2 left.
We drank it all before we celebrated.
Who's got the cocaine?
I'm about to say it, bro, honestly.
Just do it honestly.
Yeah, fuck you, P.O. Give her the dick.
Oh.
Don't worry, it's only 12 years in jail.
Little overkill.
It's nothing. It's nothing.
Alright, I gotta get that. There, one.
every now
Gonna get that.
Bro, whatever you do, don't drop the soap.
No,
God.
don't borrow food from anybody off the fucking commentary
Sean's in the
line.
background.
I'll escape prison. I'll escape prison.
Bro, you're gonna come back.
right.
I'll
I'll be like Mike
6
Tyson.
times bigger than normal.
Oh, fuck, I gotta get that.
I'm not going.
Dude, this is harder
I'm
than
gonna need
fucking
you to hand
bird.
this down to me.
Dude, 2 people to get the fuck out, but 18.
And a lot of
I need light. I need light down
A lot
here.
of lines of coke.
I need light down here.
God. Oh. Oh.
I'm staying here.
Oh.
pineapple, bitch.
Shut the fuck up,
This
bro.
nigga.
I didn't film shit today.
No, you didn't. At all.
So what do we get done today, guys? Everything is hooked up except for the fucking
That's it.
the radiator. I just put oil in it.
Yeah, in there.
Bree's over here mad as hell. I got Pizza Hut on the
He said we
way.
didn't do shit today, so why are we sitting here?
I got
all
Pizza
day?
Hut on the way,
Yeah.
and they already got pizza.
I
So.
do not.
I only took one. What? I didn't touch
Put your
it.
hand in there, bro.
Yo, bro, what the fuck? Isaac, stop touching it, dude. Dude, what the fuck, dude?
Yes! Yes!
It just.
We got life! We got fucking life,
Yo,
man!
why are you celebrating
First
already?
crank over! First fucking crank, man!
Oh my god.
Oh,
That sounded so off timing.
Alright.
I'm not happy about that at all. Huh?
The fuel is cutting it off.
Yeah. I'm not happy about that at all.
Yo.
It's too early to celebrate.
Oh, I never so happy!
Bye.
Oh! Yo, get drunk one more time, then you can go to sleep. One more time.
Okay.